I'd like to ask the PIDEA on this. On your rules of engagement, whenever you deal with drug in our country, would like to answer that.
Mr. Chairman, Your Honor,
Yes.
our protocol in PIDEA is that if in any anti-illegal drugs operation somebody dies, it is motu proprio that an investigation will be conducted to investigate, of course, to find out, it's a fact-finding investigation to find out whether the operation needed to have somebody died or not, somebody killed or not. So it's automatic for us, Your Honor.
But during the last administration, you were not directed by the former president to actually conduct the investigation in partnership with the Philippine National Police.
May I respectfully request, Mr. Chairman, that the former PIDEA directors answer that question because I just
Okay.
assumed, Your Honor.
Sino po siya?
Former Director General Wilkins
Okay, go
Villanueva.
ahead. Go ahead, please. Were you directed by the former president to address the drug problem in this country, aside from the Philippine National Police?
We have our own holistic approach on our anti-drug operation, Mr. Chair, which is called the Barangay Drug Clearing Program.
You have your own. Is that not in partnership with the Philippine National Police?
Sometimes we have joint operations with the Philippine National Police, Your Honor.
May mga pagkakataon, nag-aaway pa kayo eh.
As far as
may nangyari dito, di ba? Last time.
yung Commonwealth incident,
Kayo nagbarilan eh.
yung Commonwealth incident, Your Honor, is a very unfortunate incident.
It is not only unfortunate.
Yes,
It is
Your
not
Honor.
only unfortunate.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, it is
Napaglaruan-
very bad on the integrity and reputation of the Philippine National and the PIDEA.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you apologize to the Philippine people on that? You did not. We did not hear any apology from you.
Mr. Chair, it was already investigated and the case was filed.
Yes,
already.
it's investigated, but it becomes your duty as law enforcers to apologize to the Filipino people because all the people saw that incident.
That's why, Mr.
Director
Chair,
General Villanueva, am I right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
The Ombudsman has already filed cases against those
I'm
responsible.
not
Your
concerned
Honor.
about the ombudsman. What I'm concerned about is that you ought to issue an apology to the Filipino people, and you did not.
Mr. Chair, PIDEA, as far as we are concerned, has performed our duties according to the rules of engagement.
What I'm asking is that did you issue an apology to the Filipino people as PIDEA? Kasi hindi naman nagkabaralan yung magkalaban eh. Makakampi kayo eh. Makakampi kayo, am I right?
Yes, Your Honor, but during that time, napaglaruan ang dalawang force ng PIDEA at ng Philippine National Police ng kanilang mga informants. That's why we have resolved the issue, Your Honor. That was during the time of...
Ibig sabihin eh, napaglalaruan kayo ng mga informant?
During the time...
Ang gagaling ninyo. Ang gagaling ninyo. Graduate kayo ng PMA, ng PNPA, napaglalaruan kayo ng informant? Oh, I would like, if you still have the floor, I'd like to ask the Philippine National Police on this. Sino pwedeng sumagot yan?
For the Directorate for Operations, Your Honor, if we're talking about death as a result of armed encounter, normally on our police operational procedures, that encounter or the death resulting from that armed confrontation normally is being treated as a crime scene, Your Honor.
Crime scene, but it's between law enforcers. It's between law enforcers. Hindi ba, General?
That's why, sir, there was an investigation.
Being law enforcers, you ought to apologize to the Filipino people on that. Because you are receiving compensation from the Filipino people. Am I right, General Salvador?
Yes, Your Honor. In fact, I believe during one of the press conferences, the PNP was saddened by the
That's the
by
reason.
the incident, of
That
course.
is what I'm
That's
saying.
why.
Whatever the charges might be in the ombudsman, whatever the crime has been committed, being law enforcers, it becomes your duty. Did you issue any apology on that? You have not.
Well, we have not recalled any issuance of statement, but as I have mentioned, somehow during the press statement on that particular incident,
That's
somehow
what I'm
the
saying, General
PNP
Salvador.
is apologetic, Your Honor.
No, okay. Now, are you willing to apologize right on this committee?
Well, yes, Your Honor. If that will, of course, somehow
Assuage.
not only persuade, Your Honor, but to
Assuage.
project into the public the sincerity of the Philippine National Police.
Yan.
Thank you.
To project to the people your sincerity and honesty. No? How about Ibideya? Oh, Director General Villanueva. Panahon mo yan nangyari, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, anong masasabi mo ngayon dyan?
Your Honor, unang-una, we have corrected the lapses. During
Yes, what I'm asking is, did you issue an apology and you did not? So like the Philippine National Police who is now apologizing before this committee, would you also issue an apology to us?
Mr. Chair, we apologize to the families of those who died.
And do you know why I'm saying this? If you law enforcers are the ones committing this crime, hindi ang tawag doon yung mga nahuhuli ninyo na mga victims o kaya naman yung mga drug users and drug peddlers talagang papatayin ninyo. Kung kayo mismo nag-aaway-away, nagpapatayan din.
Can I explain,
Yes,
Mr.
please.
Chair? The Philippine National Police and PDEA has conducted both anti-drug operation on drug personalities. During that time, there was no
What is that? Not personality?
drug personalities, Your Honor.
Oh, yes, not personality, but it's affecting persons.
Yes, Your Honor. But during that time, we don't have still the unified coordination between the Philippine National Police and PDEA on one station.
So whose
one,
fault is it? Whose fault is it?
That
Is
was-
it the fault of the PIDEA or the Philippine National Police?
That was happening for so long until General Eliazar and yours truly, Your Honor, has come up with a unified action on anti-drug operation. Ngayon, Your Honor, wala nang operation sa isang istasyon na pwedeng mag-conduct ng parehong unit, Your Honor. So for example, meron ng Quezon City, may isang barangay, hindi na pwede, nauna ang pulis, hindi na pwede pumasok ang PIDEA doon. Dati, rumble yun, Your Honor. That was even before, that was the creation since 2022. Although
Okay.
parehong may pre-operation report, Your Honor.
Okay, during that time, we have Director General Eliazar, who was actually the head of the Philippine National Police. I would like him to answer on this because look, ang sinasabi ko dito, okay, di okay lang na patayin nyo itong mga judicial killings na ito sapagkat kayo mismo, mga law enforcers natin, nag-aaway-aaway on this. And then you're telling us you have no unified coordination? What is that? My goodness, we are defending on you. We are depending on you on peace and order. And you are the ones that are actually violating this. Director General, former Director General, will you please answer this?
Yes, sir. Mr. Chair, Your Honor, actually, I was conferring with my seatmate, the former director of the IDM, and just confirming that that particular incident, hindi pa po ako ang chief PNP noon. Pero because of that incident, when I took office as the chief PNP, ito po ng ating si Wilkins, ang PIDEA director, nagkaroon po kami ng coordination so that what he has explained earlier, yun yung ating in-implement para hindi na maulit those unfortunate incidents, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair,
Go ahead, Congressman Akop.
may I follow your line of questioning?
Yes, please.
Director Wilkins, simple lang naman yung issue ni Chairman Nagkaroon ng aberya between PIDEA and PNP. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Tama po ba yung nangyari na yon?
Mali, Your Honor.
Mali. So, sinabi nyo kanina, ginawa nyo na ng paraan. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Dahil sa may mali kayong ginawa, what is the proper course of action? For you to admit na mali and maybe apologize to those affected people? Hindi ba yun ang proper course of action?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi
During
yun lang
one
naman ang tinatanong ni Chairman pero ang mga sagot mo kasi nagja-justify ka pa
Your Honor, that's why during the press conference, joint press conference conducted by the Philippine National Police and PIDEA, in-explain namin sa public na nagkamali pareho. But
Yes,
we are
but the issue
working
is,
on
would
in
you
the
be willing to
investigation, Your
issue an
Honor.
apology dito sa committee na ito, just like what the PNP did? Yun lang po ang hinihiling ni Chairman
Yes, Your Honor,
Kino-complicate ninyo
if it needs public apology for what happened, we apologize to the public, Your Honor. But ang sinasabi natin dito, Your Honor, dahil may mali sa procedure, kinurek po namin. That is why ngayon, hindi na pwedeng mangyari dahil we only have one operation, one station policy between the Philippine National Police and the PIDEA. Ito po yung Unified Anti-Drug Operation, Unified Anti-Drug Operation of the Philippine National Police and the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, Your Honor.
I think the Chairman was not questioning that. Ang tinatanong lang ni Chairman from the very start is, bakit hindi kayo nag-apologize dahil mali po yung nangyari? Hindi po ba? Hindi ba pag nakagawa ka ng mali o masama sa isang tao, the proper thing for you to do is to apologize? Would you agree with me?
I agree, Your Honor.
Yes, simple lang naman yung issue ni Chairman If PIDEA is willing to apologize for the wrong committed by its people, yun lang naman Whether you have corrected or not, it was not part of the issue raised by the Honorable Chairman.
Mr. Chair,
Gusto
we
mo
are
magdebate
willing
tayo
to
rito?
apologize to the public, Your Honor.
Gusto mo magdebate tayo rito?
No, Your Honor.
No.
We are willing to apologize, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Alam niyo, kaya ako niraise ang isyong ito. General Eleazar, no, you were not the head of the PNP then, di ba? Sino po? Sino po ang head ng PNP during that time?
Police General De Bolsinas, Your Honor.
Sinas, oo. He was in the last hearing, di ba? Okay. Now, ang inaano ko dito, how can you justify the killings that have been done, all right, during the war on drugs? If you yourselves, ay nagpapatayan po kayo, tell me, how can you justify that?
Yes, Your Honor. That unfortunate incident, tinatanggap po natin yung pagkakamali. That is why I believe that being part of the command group, the PNP, nagkaroon po ng mga coordination with PIDEA regarding that. And it so happened that eventually, na-find out natin yung mga problema during the coordination. And through the joint coordination and study of both the agencies, we came up with that unified system na since then, naayos na po yung ating programa. So indeed, yun po isang setback sa both the agencies. But what we can do during the time is to correct it and see to it that we'll do our best not to happen that again.
So you're able to correct that during your stint, General?
Well, as what General Wilkins has earlier said, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, after those
I just would
guidelines
like
were
you to
set,
know, General, that when you were the Director General of the Philippine National Police, you were very commendable, no? I'm saying that now, no? That was commendable of you. But
Thank
I'd
you.
like to ask you, how many years have you been the head of the Philippine National Police?
6 months, Your Honor.
6 months. From the what date is that?
May 8 of 2021 until my retirement, November 20.
Within those
November
6
30.
months, General, how many were killed on the war on drugs? When you were the head of the Philippine National Police?
I don't have the figure, but I don't have the figure, Your Honor.
But you admit that there were killings.
Yes, Your Honor.
Was it 1,000 or 2,000 people that were killed? Because
Actually, my
even
statement here was,
Attorney Joke said here in the last hearing that there were about
yes, Your Honor.
almost more than 20,000 that were killed.
Your Honor, my seatmate here presented me the report from Dahas, and accordingly, based on this report, during my stint for 6 months, there are 249 who died in police operations, Your Honor.
So, being the Director General of the Philippine National Police, realizing those many people that died, what did you do as the head of National Police among your officers, especially those units and the stations in which a lot of people died?
Mr.
Because
Chair,
in the last hearing, General, we were actually questioning Colonel Patay, who is not here right now, no? And during his stint as the commander of the Batasan Police Station, no? Wala pang isang taon yan. More than 100 na ang napatay.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, the PNP has existing rules and guidelines and procedures in any conduct of any police operation, not just anti-illegal drugs operation. And there's always a after operations report or post operations report. And if there is a death or injuries, yung pong internal affairs service natin, motu proprio, based on our disciplinary mechanism, through their motu proprio investigative power, will conduct inquiry. And those will be the basis for them to assess and recommend to us based on their findings. But just the same, we are constantly reminded from the top of the organization down the line to nasiguraduhin po namin na we should follow the procedures, the SOPs kasama po dito. Dahil kung hindi natin susundin yan at nagkaroon ng problema, so pwede pong subject sila ng investigation. And we have pinakita naman po natin na kung talaga may mga basis at naimbestigahan, kinakasuhan, tinatanggal sa serbisyo. So yun naman po yung ating proseso na ating ginagawa sa ating mga police operations.
Alright, Attorney Conti, nandito, we were given a list of I think about 28 policemen from generals, right, to patrolmen who are with us today, some of them, that were involved in the killings, no? Okay, we were given that list. We have invited all of them, but some of them are right now AWOL, and some cannot even be determined where they are, and some have been deceased. Ako, nagtataka ako. Ang babata ng mga pulis namamatay agad. Paano ba yun? Pero makakasagot niya naman sa pulis inyo, namamatay agad? Ha? Wala pang 50 yung mga yan. 4 na yata yung namatay, di ba? O, deceased. 3. Hindi ko alam kung lumulusot lang itong mga to, talagang namatay na to. Nakakapagtaka. Sabi ko sa aking kaibigan, ako ba't namamatay ang mga yan? Mga bata pa, samantalang kami, tumatanda na rin kami yun, di ba? Buhay pa tayo.
Matanda na tayo, Mr. Chair.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Kenshin Limares, tumpak, noon pa hanggang ngayon nasa PNP ang balto ng sindikato. Mahirap ng pagkatiwalaan ang mga pulis ngayon. Pahayag naman ni Bobby Sierra, di kaya ang PIDEA ang palpak. Kasi mga nahuhuli nila na drugs binibente nila ulit. Kung baga sila din ang supplier. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Kenneth Baldwin. Imagine that the drug lords watching the foolishness of the authorities. Nagsasayang lang kayo ng oras dyan. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.